Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix the blinking question mark on a MacBook, which usually appears when your Mac cannot find a valid startup disk. This means the system is trying to boot, but it cannot locate macOS on the internal drive. First, turn off your Mac completely by holding the power button until the screen goes black. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. If you still see the blinking question mark, we need to manually select or repair the startup disk. Now restart your Mac again, but this time try Startup Manager. If you are using an Intel Mac, turn it on and immediately hold the Option key. Keep holding it until you see available startup disks. If you see Macintosh HD or any internal disk, select it and press Enter. If it boots normally, the issue is just a missing startup selection. If nothing appears or the disk is missing, go into recovery mode. On Apple Silicon Macs, press and hold the power button until startup options appear, then choose Options and continue. On Intel Macs, hold Command+R during startup until recovery loads. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to Stack for more simple Mac troubleshooting tutorials. Once inside, open Disk Utility. Wait for the drives to load fully. Now click View at the top and choose Show All Devices. Select the internal drive at the top and click First Aid. Let it finish completely. This checks for file system errors that often cause the blinking question mark. After that, select Macintosh HD if it appears, and run First Aid again. If you see a Mount option at the top, click it and wait a few seconds, then check if the disk becomes available. Now close Disk Utility and return to Recovery. Try Startup Disk if available, and select Macintosh HD, then restart your Mac. If the issue still continues, choose Reinstall macOS from Recovery and follow the instructions. This will rebuild system files without deleting your personal data in most cases. Finally, once your Mac starts normally, go to System Settings, then General, then Startup Disk, and set Macintosh HD as the default boot drive so the blinking question mark does not return. And that is it. Thanks for watching this Stack tutorial video.